Radhika and you're watching Divine Coding. So let's get started.
I can only imagine how it is to be with you. From the first day I saw your face, I knew this love was true. But you already taken, nothing I can do. So I can only imagine how it is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine, I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be a perfect harmony. I don't want to live this way. I really wish we never knew. Out of sight and out of mind, I don't want to be with you. But the next time I saw your face, nothing I can do. I just have to face the truth. All I want is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine, I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be a perfect harmony. I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be. I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be.
So this is the final design and you can find the link of the complete code in the description box. And if you like the video, hit the like button and do share your views in the comment section. And more stuffs are going to come on this channel, so be sure to subscribe it. Thank you.